Wood crusher is a kind of equipment used to crush various logs, scraps, branches, building templates and other materials into sawdust. Its working principle is that after the material enters the crushing chamber from the feed port, it is crushed by the high-speed rotating cutter disc. The crushed material is discharged after screening. The machine has wide applicability, high production efficiency and simple operation. The degree of automation is high, and the operator can operate it after simple training.